Good day to you all. Today I'm showcasing how to prune a palm nut tree. I'm using a big saw, or you could use a blade saw, which is a small saw. This palm nut tree which I'm gonna prune has some fruits, but only one of them is ripe. So in the process of pruning it, I'm gonna harvest the ripe fruits. Just to take you back a little bit, pruning of trees is crucial because it allows removal of infected parts to avoid transmission of pests and diseases. It also eliminates wastage of nutrients on parts or branches that will not flower and yield fruit, hence providing more nutrients to parts or branches that are productive. Pruning also reduces bulkiness on the plant. Pruning allows easy absorption of moisture from the atmosphere by the plant surface. By plant surface, I mean the leaves. It also allows absorption of warmth and light from the sun and the moon, respectively. Pruning allows generally increased production or productivity or yields. Getting back to palm nut fruit harvesting, the palm nut fruits are embedded in a thorny shelter for protection purposes. The palm nut fruit can be used to make palm nuts and kernel oil from the fruit coat and the seeds, respectively, which are used for cooking purposes. The palm nut fruit coat can be used to make palm nut soup. This is a very common recipe in the western parts of Africa, like Nigeria, Ghana, Ivory Coast, Liberia, Sierra Leone, Cameroon, and so on. The palm nut oil can also be used to manufacture soaps and candles. The palm nut pulp, which is the residue after making palm nut soup and palm nut oil, can be used as animal feeds, or it can be mixed with other animal feeds to make a very good mixture or results. The palm nut pulp, palm nut branches, the kernels, or sometimes I call them the nut shells, can be used to make briquettes, which is fuel for cooking purposes. The palm nut tree trunk or stem can be used to make wine, and this stem at the same time can be dried and chopped to serve as firewood for cooking. The palm tree leaves can be used in art and craft for weaving mats, bags, baskets, and can also be used, or they can also be used for roofing, huts, grass thatched houses. Generally for roofing houses. Guys, that's it for today about palm nut tree pruning and harvesting palm nut fruits. Please stay tuned, don't go